In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print emails without cutting off on the side in Outlook. If your printouts are trimming the right edge of an email, it usually means the message contains something wider than the page, like a large image, a long URL, or a table, and Outlook or your printer isn't scaling it to fit. The fix is to preview first, then adjust scaling, margins, or orientation so everything lands neatly on the page. Start by opening the email you want to print. Then go to Print Preview. This lets you see exactly where the cutoff happens before you waste paper. Make sure you're printing the message in memo style, which is designed for single emails. Next, open Page Setup or Print Options. Here, confirm the paper size matches what's in your printer, typically letter or A4. If the right edge is clipped, try switching orientation from portrait to landscape to accommodate wide content. Also check margins. Normal often works well, but if space is tight, use narrow to reclaim a bit of width. Look for any scaling or shrink to fit setting. In some versions of Outlook, you can enable shrink to fit so the entire message scales onto the page automatically. If you see a percentage scale, reduce it slightly, say 95% or 90%, until the preview shows the full width. When the preview looks correct, print. If your version of Outlook doesn't offer scaling, open the email in your web browser and print from there. In Outlook, use the option to view the message in a browser. Then choose Print in the browser. In the Print dialog, set Scale to Fit to Page, or select a percentage that brings the content inside the margins. Verify orientation and margins again, and turn off background graphics unless you specifically need them, which can help avoid unexpected width changes and save ink. A few practical tips. If the email contains a very wide table or image, Landscape often solves it immediately. Saving to PDF first is a great way to lock in the layout and confirm it fits before using paper. Also, ensure you're printing the entire message rather than a selection, because a selected region can force an awkward crop. Finally, double-check that your printer driver isn't applying its own scaling. Conflicting settings can reintroduce clipping. Follow these steps, preview every time, and you'll get clean, complete email printouts without those frustrating cut-off edges.